Alright, so first we're going to start with the marinade, doing 1 cup of hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and we're going to mix that straight into the chicken and make sure we get into all the nooks and crannies. We're going to marinate this for 3 hours or overnight if you can. Next we're going to heat up 1.5 cups of peanut oil at a medium heat for about 20 minutes to get to the optimal temperature. For our first bowl, we're going to do pre-batter with 1 cup of flour. Our next bowl is going to be the dry batter. We're going to do 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1.5 tablespoons of salt. You can actually put whatever type of seasoning you want in here. If you feel like it fits into fried chicken, it probably does. Remember, this is your fried chicken. You make it how you want to make it. After we get all the ingredients put together, you're going to want to whisk it all together. For our third bowl, we're going to do a wet batter, and we're going to put in 1 cup of flour, 1.5 cups of club soda, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. I actually got the club soda wet batter recipe from my favorite YouTube foodie, Quang Tran. He actually is the only person I've seen use club soda in all of their fried chicken recipes, and it works out really well. Makes your chicken really crispy along with the baking powder. He actually doesn't use baking powder in his, but I feel like it makes it even more crispier. And we're going to whisk it all together, not too much, but just enough. Next, this is the dredging process. It goes into 4 different steps. We're going to first take it from the marinade and into the pre-batter, then into the wet batter, and then into the dry batter. After each step, you're going to want to wipe off or drip off any of the extra sauce that comes off to the best of your ability, or else you're going to have a very thick batter that could get mushy, and that is just not what you want to do. And now we're going to get to frying. First, we're going to shake off any of the extra batter on the chicken, and we're going to place it in, hold it in there for a couple seconds, then drop it in away from you so that the oil doesn't splash onto your hands. We're going to be frying this for about 15 minutes or until golden brown and the chicken are floating around in the oil. Halfway through the frying process, you're going to want to move the chickens around at about 8 minutes of frying, just to make sure they're not sticking on the ground or anything or sticking together. And after 15 minutes, this is what it should look like. And that's how I fry my fried chicken, and I hope that you can try out your own recipe too.
Oh yeah. All right. Now we're ready. Look at this. This is what happens when you cook fried chicken for a year straight, 2 to 3 times a month, and trying to make it better every single time. This is what it looks like. Look at all those spaces, indentions, gaps. That's crunchy. You can just hear it. I don't even have to bite it yet. All right, no sauce. Don't forget your beer.
Yum. Oh.
This is what I was looking for.
Wait, can I have some?
Of course. Oh my god. This. Oh my god. Huh?
Okay.
This is next level. Try it with the hot sauce. It's not too hot.
Yum. Oh,
Forgot to shake it.
I did. What flavor? Or what's the seasoning?
It's just original fried chicken.
Let's taste the skin first. Oh my goodness. That's good.
It's juicy. There's some juicy stuff.
There's like a kick to it.
There's a kick.
There's a kick.
A little bit.
What'd you put in there? Cholula? Or this hot sauce?
Oh, I did put some Cholula in there. And I
It
also
was
put
kick.
some of that hot sauce.
That's good.
That was the marinade.
Ooh, how many times did you fry this?
One.
It's crispy.
Fried chicken is fried once.
Oh, my bad.
Spicy?
Not that spicy. Let's try. Just a little bit.
Too spicy?
No, this actually tastes like the original hot sauce or something.
Oh yeah.
That's good. Good job.
Thanks.
It's cooked perfectly too.
Yeah. To the bone. Juicy to the bone.
I interrupted your mukbang.
Yeah, I know.
Oops. You moved the chair out and everything.
You invited yourself to my party. It's okay. You're
this
always
so good?
invited.
Thanks.
Are you just gonna eat all the skin and leave the meat?
Yeah.
Nice.
I love
You know what
skin.
this would have been good with? Some noodles. I thought you were gonna make some. Wow, look at.
Y'all should try this. Really good. We were supposed to use this chicken to catch crabs, but we failed.
Oh yeah.
Wait, not these actual chicken legs, or wings, or drumsticks.
These were in the water. These were in the water soaking.
No, we used one drumstick to try to catch a crab.
No crabs today, but success on the fried chicken. I don't know how people can continuously talk while eating. I just don't feel comfortable talking with my mouth full.
Same.
But that's what like all mukbang people do. They talk with their mouth full.
Because I think some people like it, and that's why
Also,
they watch people.
I'm wearing this thing on my face, on my neck, and also my face is dry. I don't even think about it.
And this camera is pretty HD, I think.
Yeah, I could probably see every piece of meat in my teeth. Can you see these juices though? That steam coming out of the meat? I don't even know how many times I've made fried chicken. I would give myself above 30 times.
Who is your inspiration?
Quang Tran is my inspiration. Possibly related to Trini Tran. Probably not.
Probably not.
No. You hate the guy.
What? I don't.
You don't like his cooking cleanliness, which mine mirrors his cleanliness. If your kitchen is dirty after cooking, it's probably good.
I mean, he's very talented for sure. He knows his food.
You know what we should do?
What?
We should have a fried chicken contest.
With who?
Me and you.
Okay.
That would be fun.
Like the marination part, or?
Any part, like you just have to have fried chicken at the end. There's a lot of different ways you can make fried chicken.
How about we both marinate it, like in our own way,
Yeah.
but then you fry both of ours.
Okay. It would taste relatively the same.
I don't have patience to fry chicken.
Just 15 minutes in the boiling oil.
For each?
Each batch. I only made 5, so
I know.
2, 2, and 1. 45 minutes.
Yeah. It's already 9:30.
You can't rush. Good
Perfection.
food. It's not perfect yet.
Why?
I don't know.
How would you rate your own fried chicken?
How would I rate this? I would give myself a 9 out of 10 again. How would you rate my fried chicken? Honestly.
I would agree with 9 out of 10.
Oh, okay.
That's good. I like it.
Have you had 10 out of 10 fried chicken?
Korean fried chicken.
Korean, where at though?
Sometimes. Bonchon?
Oh my god.
Is that even real Korean fried chicken?
I think it is.
Okay. Well, I like theirs. Oh, this one's spicy. That's good.
Oh yeah. You can call it next time.
Okay.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. These are actually big. I don't know if they could tell. These are big.
They're huge and full.
There's no carbs though. I mean, there's a little bit of carbs in this, but you're gonna be hungry again later.
It was hot.
Oh, then this one is probably super hot.
Is it hot?
No. I'm a little bit.
Okay.
Is it good with ketchup? I'm gonna send this to my coworkers. I told them I would bring them fried chicken. Not my coworkers here in Houston,
Oh, okay.
but then I never did, and I feel bad.
Wow. Ow. The steam.
Why is that one so hot?
Maybe this is the one you just pulled out.
It's dripping.
Juicy.
Everybody eats fried chicken differently.
Yeah. I have to use my fingers.
I would hope you would. You're gonna be like this.
Well, I like to work for my food. Like crawfish. Or any kind of seafood.
Wish you could get some crabs.
Crawfish. Crabs. Ow. I'm full.
I watch you squeeze that.
I'm heavy breathing.
Was that just from 2?
Yeah.
Why can't KFC serve this?
You should work for them. You should take over.
Oh, I should work for them.
You should take over or sell them your recipe.
They wouldn't take it. It's too expensive.
How much would you sell your recipe for?
It's as secret as the Krusty Krab recipe.
The Krabby Patty recipe?
The Krusty Krab recipe.
The Krabby Patty formula.
The Krusty Krab recipe. But I'm about to post it all on YouTube.
Ravioli, give me the formula.